In this video, you'll learn how to create a fast and responsive reviews feed like this, displaying all your latest WordPress.org reviews directly on your Elementor website. This is by using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase Reviews Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress website. Now on our site, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And now Reviews Feed Pro has been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Click on that. Inside the plugin, the first thing you'll have to do is activate your license key. To do so, you can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. Our license key has now been activated, and we can begin creating our reviews feed. To get started, click on Add New, and for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. If you click on Add Source, you can see all the supported sources inside Reviews Feed Pro. You can display reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and finally, WordPress.org. Since we want to display our reviews from our WordPress.org, for this video, we're going to continue with this option. Once selected, click Next. For step number 2, we'll have to enter the WordPress.org URL, which we want to fetch our reviews from. For this demonstration, we're going to display the reviews from the WP Forms plugin. This is the best WordPress Forms plugin, and it has over 13,000 reviews, and it has over 13,000 5-star reviews on WordPress.org. To add this as a source, just copy the URL at the top of your browser, head back into Reviews Feed Pro, and paste it like this. Next, click Finish. Instantly, you can see WP Forms added as a source inside Reviews Feed Pro, and it's already selected for us, so click Next. Finally, we can select a template for the layout and design of our feed. You can choose from options like the default, simple cards, carousel, masonry, and more. Let's continue with the masonry option and click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new reviews feed, displaying the latest reviews from WP Forms on WordPress.org. We can now go and embed this inside Elementor, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your reviews feed. Currently, we're displaying our reviews in the masonry layout, which displays them in rows and columns. Above that is the list layout. This one displays your reviews in a single column list. Third is the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the reviews inside your feed like this. Let's continue with the masonry layout, and if we scroll down, you can choose the number of reviews you want to display inside your feed on desktop, tablet, and mobile. At the moment, we're displaying 6 reviews, which you can see inside the preview, but if you want to modify it, just enter the number of reviews you want to display. For example, let's go with 9, and our feed will update to display 9 reviews instead of 6. We can keep that as is. Next, you can also modify the number of columns inside your feed. Currently, it's set to 3 on desktop, but to modify it, just enter the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 2, and just like that, we have 2 columns inside our feed. Let's change it back to 3, and if you make any changes, you can click Save on the top right corner. After customizing your feed, if you want controls to moderate the content inside your feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here you can add filters to moderate the content inside your feed. At the top, we can choose to filter based on star rating. So if we go with 4 and 5-star reviews, our reviews feed is automatically updated to only display 4 and 5-star reviews. On this page, these are all 5-star reviews, and the lower rated reviews have now disappeared. And if we scroll down below, we can also add filters based on words. If we enter a word into this box at the top, our feed will only display reviews containing those words. Inversely, if you enter a word into the second box, our feed will hide any reviews containing those words. Lastly, at the bottom, you can also filter reviews based on their character count, with a minimum and maximum. If you enter a lower minimum and maximum, you can share short bite-sized reviews like the ones at the top here, or if you go with the higher minimum and maximum, you can display longer, more in-depth reviews too. It's totally up to you. And if we go back into Settings and click on Sort, you can control how the reviews are sorted inside your feed. You can sort them based on date, which is currently enabled, with the latest reviews first. If we open this up, you can also choose the oldest reviews first too. Underneath that, you can also sort based on rating, and choose to randomize the reviews if you'd like to as well. Let's head back into the Settings tab, and lastly, I'll show you moderation mode. If we click on moderation and enable it, you can see all the available reviews inside your feed right here. With the setting, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display. To do this, we have 2 options, with the allow list and block list. With the allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Inversely, with the block list, all your reviews will be shown by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide like this. With this option, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display inside your feed easily. And if you make any changes, click Save and Exit. But for now, we're going to disable this and click on Save. Now that I've shown you how we can create, customize, and moderate our WordPress.org reviews, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with the home page and click Add. Inside our WordPress page, we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are inside Elementor, and to embed our reviews feed, we'll first have to add a shortcode block. So we can search for shortcode over here. That's this one. So we can click, drag it, and place it on our page right about here. Next, all we have to do is on the left-hand side, paste that shortcode that we just copied earlier. And once you do that, you'll immediately see a live preview of your feed inside your Elementor page as well. So we can click on Publish and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on a live WordPress web page, and right in the middle is our brand new WordPress.org reviews feed. It's featuring the latest reviews from the WP Forms WordPress.org page. This is the exact feed that we just created and customized inside Reviews Feed Pro. At the top of the feed, we can see the title, the average star rating, the total number of reviews, and a write a review button, which I'll talk about later. Inside our feed, you can see that we have 3 columns of reviews, and each review contains the author name, profile picture, when the review was published, and the rating that was provided. Underneath that, you can also see the review content too. On the top right corner of each review, you can see a WordPress.org icon, indicating that the review is from WordPress.org. Now, on the right-hand side, if we click on Write a Review, that will take us directly to the plugins page on WordPress.org, allowing your site visitors to easily go and leave reviews for you directly from your WordPress website. And there you have it. That's how we can create a WordPress.org reviews feed like this in just a matter of minutes using Reviews Feed Pro. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experienced any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching.